Okay, so again, we're back at Joe Pack with the Canards. So you recall I cut them out of that, what is it, 1/4 inch ABS plastic. So this is going to be the bottom set. I cut the second pair a little bit taller or bigger than the other one. So I did that on purpose. Reason why is my thought was I'll cut it bigger because it's easier to take stuff off than add it on, obviously. And then we'll get it as lined up as much as we can, clamp it, and then we'll just use a belt sander and just run it along the edge just to make sure that they're all the same size, essentially. So we're going to be doing that for both the top, the smaller Canards, and then the bottom ones that are a little bit bigger. And then after that, once we get them kind of polished up, that's when we're going to be trying to heat them up with the heat gun and kind of get a nice curve to it. That's going to be the big kind of iffy part of the project, I think. Okay, so I brought the bumper back home from Joe Pack, and I asked Danielle her opinion on if she liked the flat or the curved Canards that I made. And she likes, I'll put it this way, she likes the flat ones better. And then I had another friend that liked the flat ones, and I had another friend that liked the curved ones. I'm just gonna run with the flat ones for now because I only made one that was in a curve to kind of get a better idea of what it would look. It was very subtle, and what I'm kind of worried about with the curvedness is I'm pretty sure I can get them all consistent in the same curvature, but I'm kind of worried about fitment along the inside. So I'm probably gonna just do flat, like I said. So all I'm gonna do right now is just finish sanding the edges with light sandpaper, touch up the inside to make sure the fitment's a little bit better on all four of the Canards. And then I'll show you the hardware that I bought that we're gonna use to install them. It's just itty bitty small angle brackets with screws and nuts. So I was thinking about just doing 2 on each one. We'll see if that's gonna be enough. If it's not and it's still kind of flimsy, we'll just do another one. Okay guys, I got these little 1/2 inch small L brackets. I got them from Lowe's. They're like $5 for 5 of them. And one side has like a longer opening in it, like a slot. So I'm gonna use that slot and put it on the Canard so you can kind of move it back and forth if there is a gap on this. I'm just gonna drill 2 holes, one towards the bottom and one towards the top. And I'm hoping it's gonna be good. Otherwise I would just put another one in the middle or put 2 in the middle. Okay, so I got the first side done. Like I said, I just did a top and bottom screw. It flexes a little bit, okay, and I think why it flexes is that little angle bracket is so freaking small. Okay, so if it was a little bit longer, I don't think it would do it as much. And I'm probably gonna go in and put another one in the middle. Okay, so got these done. The problem I ran on that guy is when you get behind here, you're gonna notice that there's like that black plastic, like you see it right there in the better lighting. So what I did was, you see how I cut it out like a little notch, and then got that nut on. And on the nuts, I just used some Loctite to make sure they're not gonna back out. But I'm honestly kind of happy with the look. We'll see if they don't fly off when we go down the roads. So we're gonna be doing the next side tomorrow night. So to pick up where I left off, it's been a few days since I started the driver's side Canards, but I got the passenger side done. They fit up pretty good. They're pretty damn close of being exactly the same location. Had Danielle help me out in the placement of it. But I honestly, like how they turned out. Again, they're flat. I think it looks pretty good. I mean, you have a small gap between the canards and the bumper, but it's not horrible. One thing that I want to try to do later on is get clear indicators, because those indicators are fucked up, like chipped up. They pop out. You can see the previous paint job. Like I said, I don't know why the previous owner painted that. I love that fucking color. It is amazing looking. But this is what I have to work with. So, looks good. Looks good. That's it for the Canard video, guys. So if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any other ideas, post them in the comments below. As always, we'll see you on the next video.